You can eat that. Not yet. Almost. Is it time for you to eat? Hey guys, it's your girl Chef Joya, and welcome back to my channel. Say what? It's vegan. We're getting ready to get into a meal what I call good old lazy cooking, because it's still going to be delicious and it still has a little bit of old soul to it. We're going to make a cheesy spaghetti that's similar to cashew e pepe, but it got a little bit more flavor than that. And then we're going to get into the not so Olive Garden salad, because while it's very close with the ingredients, there are several things that's different. But I'll be telling a whole story if I said this was not inspired by the Olive Garden. So before we go any further, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And let's get started with this good old lazy dinner. We start off by boiling 48 ounces of cashew milk or any type of unsweetened milk that you'll like. And then you'll add your vegan chicken bouillon. And you see that my golden chick seasoning, we're going to go ahead and add generously to the pot. Now, I was looking for some bucatini pasta or thicker spaghetti, but I had this thin spaghetti and my pot almost boiled over. So we're going to go ahead and stick with this thin spaghetti because the milk was ready. Now, I typically like to bend these, but these pastas were not breaking. So I just went ahead and put it into the pot and I pushed it down until it all fit. And that took about 30 seconds. You want to make sure you reduce the heat. And then about 10 minutes, you're going to go ahead and check on your pasta and add in some vegan evaporated milk, some vegan butter, nutritional yeast, and some vegan ricotta. And I am showing you the brands that I'm using today because you all always ask, and I change it for every video, but this is what I have today because it does matter. And I will make sure I include the full list of ingredients that I use with my ancestor measurements. Next, I'm going to go ahead and make sure everything is mixed in before I add in my Just Magic seasoning, which is my all-purpose seasoning, and that link will be in the description box as well. And then I'm going to add in some miso, some smoked paprika, and stir that and set it to the side. Now, this salad dressing, baby, it is more than amazing. It is a knockoff of the Olive Garden salad dressing, and to be honest, it actually tastes better. I don't know what I did. The ancestors be talking to me. I was looking at this recipe, and I'll include it below. And I was like, no, I'm going to add this. I'm going to do this differently. So basically, I just took the base measurements of their recipe, and then I added a whole bunch of other things. So with this salad, I have my lettuce, my cucumber, my onions. If you have red, use those. And I added in my few olives that I had with some pepperoncini peppers, and then some breadcrumbs. If you didn't know, the Dollar Tree breadcrumbs are vegan. Okay, the plain ones. Then I add in some Kalamata olives and some Life Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and get this into our bowl. Ooh, that's hot. It's moist. It's not like a sticky, like it's moist. It has some little stickiness to it. So if you need to put like a little bit of water, but I would say milk, you can always add that to it. But everything is pretty much done. Now I am going to top it with a little bit more black pepper, and then I'm going to add a little bit of parsley just for some color. So we're gonna act like we didn't say anything about the parsley, and we're just gonna use the black pepper. Maybe it wasn't meant for us to have the parsley in here. This is our finished product. We have our cheesy spaghetti, or I'm gonna call it cashew e pepe, but it's the one with a lot more flavor. And then we have our not so Olive Garden salad. When I tell you, baby, this salad dressing is absolutely delicious. I cannot wait for you all to try these recipes out. I know you're gonna love it, but let me taste this pasta. And I'm not gonna get a bowl because I'm grown, I can do what I want, but I'm gonna make sure I step back so I don't touch nobody else's food. Okay, I'm gonna try it out. Ooh, ooh, get. It's so thick. It's so creamy. It's like it's sticking to the roof of your mouth in a good way. Not like if you use too much nutritional yeast, not that type of stick, but it's like more of like, feels like a cloud in your mouth. You all are going to love this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Chef Joya, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.